Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying that Visual Studio is actually debugging. Look for the debug toolbar or the green play/pause icon. Once done, save your files so no edits are lost when the process terminates. You will use Shift plus F5 or choose Debug Stop Debugging. This forcibly ends the target process. If you prefer a gentler approach, detach the debugger instead of stopping it. Make sure to note whether child processes or IIS Express sessions are attached, because those need separate termination. Now inspect the Processes window to find every process the debugger attached to, because Visual Studio can attach to multiple items at once. Once visible, you can detach an individual process to let it continue running or terminate it to free resources. Detach when you need the program alive, terminate when you need a clean restart. Make sure to check for IIS Express or child processes if they linger. Stop them from the system tray or task manager to fully clear the debug target and ports. Finish by ensuring the debugger released all resources. Close debug windows, clear breakpoints you no longer need, and rebuild the solution so nothing stale persists. If the debugger fails to stop or ports remain bound, restart Visual Studio. Sometimes you must run it as administrator to detach properly. As a last resort, reboot the machine to free locked ports. If problems persist, check Output and Diagnostic Tools for clues so you can identify which process refused to end.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.